GCash now offers Visa branded cards in addition to MasterCard and American Express Virtual Pay. If you want to get your hands on one of these Visa cards, be sure to stick around and watch this tutorial. Hi and welcome to the Freelance channel. My name is Florante and today I'm going to show you how you can get your hands on one of these Visa cards from GCash. Alright, so the first step in getting a Visa branded GCash card is to log into your GCash account. Now, just a heads up, you have to be sure that you have at least 250 in your account. Especially if you are from the province or ordering and you will have your card delivered in the provinces. Alright, so once you're logged in from the main menu, click on the three dots with the label View All. Then scroll to the bottom until you reach the Manage section. Then just choose Cards. Then at the bottom of the window, tap on Order a GCash card. Then tap Order a card. Then tap Send me a card. This is the preview of what your card will look like, and you will see that the card cost is $185. Tap Next. Alright, so you just have to fill out the delivery information with your preferred delivery address, and you can also include landmarks to help the delivery riders find your place quicker. Tap the box beside I accept the terms and conditions. Then tap on Next. From here you will see the summary of total amount you have to pay, and in this case it's going to be $250 for me. If you wish not to have your name on the card, you just have to make sure that there's no blue check mark on the box. You can uncheck that by tapping on the checkbox beside I want my name to be on this card. Alright, so just double check all the details that you have provided or filled in the fields, and if there are no corrections, you can go ahead and tap Next. Then tap Pay $250, then tap Proceed. Okay, so we now have successfully placed an order, and for your reference, the delivery time frame are provided, and since I'm from Mindanao, my delivery will take about 8 to 10 business days. Alright, so that's the quick and very simple way on how you can order your GCash Visa card. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you on the next video.